Got caught in a bit of a thunderstorm. Not a bad view to take a morning dump. Go! Turtle, turtle. Hop up, let's go. Good girl.
Take the next left onto Devil's Lake Road.
Well, it's May 23rd, 2019. Out here at Queen Elizabeth Wildlands Provincial Park here in Ontario. Doing a solo 3-day trip with my dog. She was wondering where her mama went. They dropped us off. So we're heading to Sheldon Lake for tonight. So we got about less than an hour paddle and then a 1,400 meter portage. Got one bag in the canoe. I was hoping to do a single carry, but we'll see. That's a lot of weight. So yeah, here we go. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Hop up. Hop up. Let's go. Okay. Good girl. And we're coming up to the portage from Devil's Lake to Sheldon Lake. You can tell it's the right portage. Well, aside from the portage sign, there's a old truck that hasn't moved for many years. Let's get to it. Got caught in a bit of a thunderstorm. I think it's starting to clear up now, but whew, couldn't be more wet. Hey puppy, you don't like that, do ya? Taking shelter for a few more minutes. It's clearing up though, I think. Well, the storm passed, made way for a beautiful day. Boxers are not fans of rain. Go, Becca. Go. Turtle, turtle. Well, we made it to the end of the Devil's Lake to Sheldon Lake Portage. Took us maybe an hour. A couple of stops with the rain. Now, go look for a site. I think we're going to be the only ones here, so we got to get a litter. Well, we found a campsite. About 10 minutes maybe from the portage, 5-10 minutes. On a bit of a point, so we got some wind coming at us, which is helping keep the mosquitoes at bay. And get some water and set up camp. Becca, eat your dinner. Poor thing. Hurry up, eat your dinner and you can go to bed. Nope. Becca's resting comfortably in the tent now. She got eaten alive on the portage. I didn't really get any bites, but all of her underside was full of bites, so got the tent up, and now she is very happy. Gonna crush a big nap before she eats again. Well, we're just sitting here relaxing. Bugs have completely gone. Knock on wood. Beautiful skyline. Not a bad night. Well, we let the fire die out, and we're just cooking up a couple steaks. Little steaks. Long gone. It's about 9 o'clock. Vicky can't wait for another piece of steak. So, yeah, we're gonna eat this and clean up and hit the hay. Long day. Well, it's about noon, day 2. Managed to collect a good haul of wood just down the lake a bit. Just chilling, having a coffee. Cleaned up camp a bit. Drying out my boots still. A couple people have arrived at the lake, I think. I heard someone over that way. Not a bad view to take a morning dump. I think we got ourselves some bear poo here. Not sure how old it is.